Do you think it'll be a busy night?
It's Tuesday, might be a busy night, I don't know. Welcome to the center. Everyone's ready for calls.
Okay.
Then in about a minute and a half, we're gonna go live. All your calls will start coming in and we'll be able to just talk to you about any of your questions that you have. Down here is all of our call center. This is just another wall of resources that we have. We have hundreds of textbooks always coming in. So if you have a question in physics, you have a question in calc, you have a question in algebra 1, if you have a question in pre-calc, anything, we can answer them. We have the books for you and we have the knowledge to help you. And back here is where all the supervisors sit, where we can answer any web chat questions you have or email questions that you have. And we can answer just the same as you do on a phone. So when you're calling us, you're going to want to make sure you have the title of the book ready, the publisher of the book ready, and a description of what the book looks like. We want to make sure that we can get the book quickly to you and help you get your answer quicker.